What if artificial intelligence is starting to understand human humor better than scientists expected? For decades, humor was considered one of the most uniquely human abilities. Because humor is complicated, a joke is not just words, it depends on timing, emotions, surprise culture, context, social awareness, shared experiences. Humans laugh because the brain detects unexpected patterns. And many researchers believed artificial intelligence would struggle to understand comedy for a very long time. But something surprising started happening. AI systems began generating jokes, memes, sarcasm, and humorous conversations that humans actually found funny. And researchers realized AI was learning human humor much faster than expected. This shift has been happening across major AI research labs, including OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Meta platforms. Modern AI models are trained on enormous amounts of human communication, including internet conversations, comedy scripts, memes, social media posts, stand-up comedy, television dialogue, reaction patterns, emojis, sarcasm, examples. The AI analyzes patterns linked to humor and emotional response. It studies word association, surprise structures, timing, absurdity, exaggeration, irony, emotional shifts, and over time, the system begins predicting what humans are likely to find funny. One real-world example involves meme generation. Researchers found that AI systems trained on internet humor could create memes that humans rated surprisingly high in comedic value. In some tests, people could not reliably distinguish between human-created jokes and AI-generated ones. Another fascinating example comes from sarcasm detection. Sarcasm is extremely difficult because the meaning often contradicts the literal words being spoken. For years, computers struggled badly with sarcasm, but newer language models became dramatically better at detecting tone, emotional intent, hidden meaning, contextual contradictions, and this matters far beyond entertainment because understanding humor often means understanding human emotion itself. Companies are now exploring AI systems capable of emotionally adaptive conversations, personalized entertainment, AI companions, dynamic storytelling, humor-based marketing, audience engagement, prediction. Streaming platforms already use recommendation systems to predict what humans may enjoy watching. Future AI systems may predict not only what people want to watch, but what specific jokes they are most likely to laugh at. And this raises fascinating questions. If AI becomes highly skilled at understanding humor, could it eventually manipulate human emotion more effectively? Because humor builds trust, it creates connection. It lowers emotional defenses. That is why comedians, influencers, advertisers, and entertainers rely so heavily on it. Now imagine an AI system capable of generating personalized humor optimized specifically for individual personalities. An AI that understands your interests, your emotions, your behavior, your online habits, your cultural references better than strangers do. The future of AI may become deeply emotional and socially intelligent, and researchers believe humor is one of the strongest signals that AI is beginning to understand complex human communication patterns. For developers and AI engineers, this is one of the most fascinating applications of machine learning and natural language processing. These systems combine large language models, sentiment analysis, emotional prediction, contextual understanding, behavioral modeling, reinforcement, learning from human feedback. The challenge is no longer just generating words, it is generating human reactions. Artificial intelligence is not simply learning facts, it is learning timing, emotion, and social interaction. And that may completely change entertainment, marketing, communication, and digital relationships in the future. The next time you laugh at something online, there is a growing chance an AI system may have helped create it. If you want more videos exploring the fascinating ways artificial intelligence is changing human behavior, technology, and the future of communication, subscribe to the channel and join me as we explore the future together.